Hi everyone, welcome back to Easy Mentor. In this video, I will be showing you how you can upload your resume CV to your LinkedIn account. If you have PC or mobile, you can do this same process in your devices. So let's get started. So first guys, you have to open your LinkedIn account as I have already opened my LinkedIn account in my laptop. If you have mobile, you can also do the same process in your mobile too. So just open your LinkedIn account in your application. If you don't have, you can also open your LinkedIn account in your Chrome browser. Here then you have to click on your profile. As you can see, it's saying me, just click on it. And guys, you can see it's saying that setting and privacy, so you have to click here. Okay, after clicking on that, then you have to wait some time, and here now you can see it's saying that data and privacy. Again, click on that too. Okay, when you click on that, then just come down here, you can see it's a cursor, just click on that and come down here. You can see it's saying that job seeking preference, so just click here, job application setting, so just click on that. When you click on it, then guys, you can see I have already uploaded my CV today, and I just delete my old CV few time before. And now guys, you can see is I just want to upload a new CV just for demonstration to guide you. Here you can see it's saying that upload a resume, so just click on it. After clicking on it, it's saying CV. Okay, so just click on it, and here you can see it's saying open. So when you click on it, the CV will be uploaded in your LinkedIn account. So it's very simple process guys, but the one most important thing is that if this, you can see it's saying that share resume data with recruiter. If this, if this option is off, so you have to click on it and you have to enable it. For example, maybe in your case the option will be like that, off, so you have to click on it and you have to turn on it, because if this option is off, the your resume will be not showing to the recruiter. So that's very important trick guys you have to use. And you can see the resume has been uploading here. Maybe my net issue some. So guys, here you can see if you want to delete your old resume, so here you have just to click on the three dot, and it's saying delete. Okay, so just click on it, the resume will be deleted. You can see now I have just one resume right now. So it's very simple process guys, and this way you can upload your resume to your LinkedIn account. And if you don't have resume, just create a resume. If you don't know, let me know in the comment section. I will also guide you how to create a professional resume for yourself.